There's this designer who was grinding it out, working 12-hour days, 7 days a week. He had clients coming out of his ears, but when he looked at his bank account, he was always broke. It just didn't make any sense. He was constantly stressed, buried in projects, but had nothing to show for it. One day, completely burnt out, he vented to a mentor. The mentor listened patiently, and then said something that was really tough to hear. "You're not underpaid. You're underpriced." That single sentence hit him like a ton of bricks. It was uncomfortable, but it sparked an idea. Now, before I tell you what happened next, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss out on more insights that could completely change your career, and the algorithm can be tricky, so this might be the only chance you get to see our content again. Okay, so the designer decided to try a wild experiment. He took a deep breath and doubled his prices across the board. He was terrified. He fully expected his phone to stop ringing and his inbox to turn into a ghost town. He thought he'd lose all his clients. But instead, something truly shocking happened. He didn't lose clients. In fact, a whole new type of client started showing up. These were better clients with more serious, more exciting projects. They respected his time and his expertise. Within a few months, his income had doubled, but his workload had actually decreased. He was finally able to breathe. He had more time for himself, less stress, and was doing more meaningful work. Here's the harsh truth he learned. Cheap prices often attract difficult customers. The ones who question everything, demand endless revisions, and don't value your craft. When you charge what you're worth, you attract people who see the value you provide. So listen carefully, because here are a few steps you can apply in your own business starting today. First, increase your prices. You don't have to double them overnight like he did, but start with a 20 to 30% bump. See how the market reacts. You might be surprised. Second, position yourself as a specialist, not a generalist. Instead of being a designer, become the go-to expert for minimalist brand identity. Specialization commands higher prices. Third, focus on fewer, higher quality clients. Stop trying to serve everyone. Identify your ideal client, the one who values your work and is a pleasure to collaborate with, and focus all your marketing efforts on attracting more people like them. And finally, and this is the most important part, deliver exceptional work. Always over-deliver on your promises. When you charge a premium, you need to provide a premium experience. This creates raving fans who will refer you to other high-quality clients. Sometimes the fastest way to earn more isn't to work harder. It's to simply charge what you're actually worth. So take a look at your pricing. Are you truly valuing your skills and your time? Congratulations if you just subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.